So I'll just show you some of them. So under our options strategy box, we again have so many strategies which are there. So let's say we are taking some two-leg strategy. Under your two-leg strategy, if you see over here, there are different two-leg strategies over here, right? So idea over here is everyone would have heard about them. There is theory part attached to it, but apart from that, you need to place each of these strategies and see where to apply. Okay, whether it works or not at the end of expiry, whether it makes you money or no, right? So that's the practical application of these strategies, right? Similarly, if you go down and see on, let's say, 3 spread metrics, then it also has its own set of strategies which are there, right? So all we have done over here, select a script, place your strategy and see the output. So I'll just show you over here. So let's say I have taken Nifty index and I have taken the next expiry. I take option of Nifty. So I'm taking the next expiry, that is October. September 28 is tomorrow where it will end. So I'm taking the next month. So 9,000, let's say 400 to 9,800, and I'm doing it under this. So under Nifty, I'm saying 9,400 to 9,800. I'm bearish on Nifty, so I'm making a bear spread. And if you see over here, for current expiry 20th September, these are all the spreads which are there available between 9,400 to 9,800. So what this system does, it automatically gives you all the spreads available in front of your screen, whichever spread you are interested in. Okay, so let's say 9,700 or 800 to 700 is what we are interested in. So 9,800 to 9,700, the cost, or you can say 9,700 to 9,600, it is 15 rupees. Okay, so 15, if you see cross row and column, so 15 basically 16 coincides with what, 9,700 and 9,600. So my idea of this strategy says currently market is 9,730. Okay, is it above 9,700? Okay, I am being bearish in the range of 9,700 and 9,600. So I will make money only if the index goes below 9,700. Until where I will keep making money? 9,600, because the upper band is 9,700, the lower band is 9,600. Similarly, if I would have taken 9,600 and 9,500, okay, if these two I have selected, the price is 4.5 or 5 rupees, but I would have made profit only when the index, which is 9,730, has to go below 9,600 and towards 9,500. So if it remains above 9,600, will I get money? No, right? I am being bearish only below 9,600. Similarly, over here, if it is 9,700 and 9,500, so iska matlab I am bearish only below 9,700. Until what level I am bearish? 9,500. Right? So we have a diagram which will basically tell you how much profit and loss you can make. So let's say we take 9,700 and 9,600. If we select this, we know that we will make profit only below 9,700. Keep making profit till 9,600. So if this price, if the market from 9,730 goes below 9,700 and goes beyond 9,600, I will get maximum profit. Okay, so we can just go and see the payoff diagram. So this payoff diagram will tell you from which range you will make profit and which range you will make loss. Now if you see over here, it is telling me, so if market right now is where 9730 and I have selected two strike prices, which is 9,700 and 600. So let's see if 9730 comes to 9700. So 9730, if it comes to 9700, how much loss am I making? 16 rupees. But if it goes below 9700 to 9650, am I making profit? Right? If it goes further down, 9600, am I making more profit? But if it goes beyond 9600, wherever it goes, okay, my profit is remaining fixed or no? So this strategy tells me you will earn profit between 9700 and 9600. Is it clear? Right? Because we have selected these two strikes, so you will be profitable only between 9700 and 9600. Beyond this, even if the market goes down, your profit is fixed. You won't make much profit. Now, if it doesn't go below 9700, ये भी तो हो सकता है, right? Market is right now at 9730 and it can keep going up rather than down. So because of this, if it keeps going up, let's say it reaches to 9,800, 850, 900, maybe to 10,000. If you see over here, what is my loss? 16 bucks, which is fixed, right? So as I said, in options, your loss are limited and your profit can zoom up, but it cannot be that here, if you see, it is limited to 83. The profit is not going beyond 83, right? So these are different strategies which you can place. Okay, I've just selected a bear strategy. Similarly, you can do bull. Then there are different ratio strategies as well. So on investment, so you need to buy one 9,700 and sell 9,600. So we'll come into that. That's all of margin and stuff. So we can do it later. But idea over here is you can place any strategies you want. You do the analytics using the payoff diagram. Where will you make profit? Where will you make loss? And then apply the strategy in live environment, right? So more of analysis is what you need to do. Apply it over here. And let's say if I want to buy this, okay, I'm ready to pay 15 rupees to you. I think market will go below 9,700. So how to buy this? Just double click this and here you can place your buy and sell and it gets executed as well. So the platform does it for you right then and there. So I'm trying to buy, let's say in 12 bucks and sell in 18. You can activate the strategy. And if you see over here, so here right now the rate is trading roughly around 13 bucks or so. We are trying to sell a spread. So let's modify this spread. So the same strategy can be executed as well. So let's say I want to do it 12.75. Okay, and let's activate this. Now if you see over here, we will get a buy order around this 12.75. Now market is roughly around 13.45. So we can modify this order, let's say 13.5. If I do, it will get executed. Okay, if it gets executed, you can go and see in your trade book what exactly happened. So in your trade book, these trades have taken place. Okay, one buy and one sell. Now he bought at 19.85 and sold at 7.20. So let's find the difference between the two. Okay, so it is 19.85 minus 7.2, 12.65, right? So this is the spread at which you have bought. Now you will make money when it goes to 0, or you will make money when it goes to 15, 18, 20, 25, 30, right? You will make money if the spread keeps increasing rather than decreasing. Okay. So this is how it works. You can basically first analyze. After analysis, you can also place the system, use the system and place the trade right then and there, right? So strategies get executed Now once you have traded this, your PNL, you can see your PNL, you can track your PNL, how much profit or loss you are making, right? So this is what we are trying to do. So two things we have tried to cover. One is the algo, not everything, just the screener part, which has 4 compartments. Okay, under screener, what were they? They were gap up, gap down, bullish and bearish, and all the combinations of each of them. So gap up and bullish, gap up and bearish. Similarly, gap down and bullish, gap down and bearish. That was a small sneak preview of algo. Option, what we try to do, some two-leg strategy where we know how much is our profit and how much is our loss. So if I've selected this 9,700 to 9,600, we can go and see in our payoff diagram. So maximum profit I will get is 87, right? And my loss will be 12.85. So that is the strategies of